Hi guys, in this video I'm going to test the gaming performance on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now the game that I'm going to launch in this videos is the Fortnite game. So I'm just going to go into game Fortnite and I'll start up the Fortnite and we're going to test it out and see how smooth it is. Okay, so in here I'm going to go into settings and go to graphic. So I'm going to tap on display and you can see here I can choose the maximum of 60 FPS and graphics. I can increase the graphics user interface contrast and quality preset. So I can go from low to medium to high to epic setting with this one. And I can also turn on FPS, show FPS, allow low power mode, and tap on applied. And so that's my frame rate and graphic quality. So I can choose epic. I can also increase the 3D resolution as well. I'm just going to lower it down just so that it won't lag too much, and tap on applied, and I'll tap on back and I'm going to start playing. And from here you can see the graphic quality on the Fortnite game. Okay, the game has started. Now I'm going to jump off the bus and I'm going to dive down, and let's just go on to move around so you can take a look at the graphic. So again, the purpose of this video is just first to test out the graphic performance, and the game that I'm playing is Fortnite. Now graphic performance also depending on the type of graphic quality that the game has been designed for. So I'm just gonna go in here and you can see it's respond quite well. There's no lagging at all. So I can jump, I can smash into things to break the walls or the floor. So I can break the chairs, the table. I can jump, no problem at all. There's no lag. My device is still quite cool. It's not hot yet, so that's a good thing. Sometimes when your device gets too hot, it can tends to lag. In this case, still looking good. Okay, so my teammate is over here trying to help me break down some stuff. So I'm just going to build a stairs there just to go up. Okay, just gonna go up one more floor. I'm gonna turn around. There is a chest somewhere around here, possibly upstairs. So I'm just gonna build up, and I'll go up. So the graphic is quite smooth. So there is a chest I can open. I'm just gonna collect some stuff. So there is another 2 chests around. It's quite sensitive. This has to do with the game settings. You can see when I move around, it moves quite quick. The graphic responds very well. There's no lagging. So I'm just going to walk around here. So I'm going just to drink some lotion potion, sorry, and I'm going to walk to the side. So there's some ammo box right here I can pick up. So let's just build up, and then I'm just going to break up here as well. Let's see what we have up here. So this is basically outside already. So I'm just going to break this roof. It sounds like there is a chest box underneath here. So yes, there is something. So I'm just gonna open up the chest box and grab that weapon. And I'm just gonna jump over here. So you can see the graphics, not that bad. It's quite good. Just gonna jump and dive down. Let's just head towards here. Somebody opened this one already. I find the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a little bit wide. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard to play, but that's just me. There's a door here I can open. Some ammos that I can pick up. Just gonna break this table to get out of my way. I'm gonna go walk upstairs, and I'm going to turn this side. There is the sound of a chest somewhere. Could be behind these doors or could be upstairs. So I'm just gonna build up. Now you might need to reconfigure your device because the default is a little bit too sensitive. I'm just gonna open up that ammo box. Now I'm just in the storm right now, and I need to get out of this urgently. So I'm just gonna break this wall to get out. Now my health is going down rapidly, so I think I won't survive the storm, but that's fine because when I respawn, I'll be within the safe zone. So as you can see, the graphic right here is still quite smooth. The device is now warming up a little bit after 10 minutes of playing, or 5 or 10 minutes of playing. It's starting to warm up a little bit. Just gonna go into this house here and try to pick up some stuff right here. So I'm just gonna see. I'm just gonna jump over the water. I'm in the water now. Just gonna swim up. Just gonna swim up shore here. There's no one around here, so I'm just gonna run towards the supply drops. There's a weapon right here I can pick up. Someone's shooting from up here, so let's just run up here and see. Can't run, it's too steep. Can't even get him. The gun doesn't have long range, so I couldn't even get him from a distance. And I've been playing this game for a while now, over a year, so I'm still trying to get used to it. So it looks like someone's landing here. So I'm just going to break it down. So just don't have a lot of health left, guy. I'm just going to walk up here. There's a chair. What are we gonna do with this chair? I don't think you can do anything with it. So let's see if there is any ammos I can pick up down here. Nice, see some ammo. There is a supply drop, so I'm just gonna run towards the supply drop and see what we can pick up. So I'm just gonna stand here, wait for the supply drop to come down. So this guy trying to get the supply drop, but because I'm standing here, so he couldn't get it. So I'm just trying to block off this whole area. But yeah, the graphics is really awesome. There's no lagging, so you can say it's very good. Okay, so someone shot me already. Just really annoying my teammate right there. Just trying to follow this guy here. Ah, damn. Okay, so I've got taken out. So what do you guys think of the graphic on this one? On the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So I'm just trying to land down here. And there's a lot of looting. So what's this? We've got a shotgun right here. Okay, he shot me before I even have a chance to shoot him. Okay, respawning again. Trying to land down. Just gonna jump up. Someone is shooting up here, so let's just go check it out. Oops, I fall down. Someone's also trying to land down here. Some health stuff that I can just gonna run up here to join my teammate. Looks like someone is also landing down here. You can see as I move, it's moved quite fast, so I probably need to adjust the settings. So I just happened to break that box there. Okay, sounds like someone is landing. Okay, that wasn't nice because I was shooting that guy from behind. Probably have done that. Shouldn't have done that. It's not nice to shoot from behind, but that's fine. Come on, I had to point at his head, but it's not shooting. I hate this predator guy. It's annoying. Just gonna try to use a shotgun. Okay, so I've shot him with an auto aiming. The auto aiming is quite handy. It helps you shoot to the person without having to. Okay, he got me. And yeah, so that's the graphic, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. It's not very good at this game, but you can see I'll play showing you the graphic quality in this game here. So I'm just gonna jump up, and there's someone's walking down here, so we can try to shoot him. Okay, I think I probably died from the storm. There's only 52 seconds left before the game's end. So let's just play a little bit more until the game finishes. Let's see if I can try to auto aim this guy. Oh, great. Okay, someone shot me back. Still quite a fun game to play. If your device is not lagging. Some older device may be lag on Fortnite, because Fortnite can be quite graphic intensive. It can require you to have a lot of CPU power and good graphic display on your mobile device for you to play happily. So that's it, guys. So that is the graphic test on the maximum settings. So I have put this one on maximum settings already, on Epic settings at 60 FPS. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.